honey lemon pepper glazed salmon. This one right here is quick to make, easy, and so delicious. Let's get into the recipe. So we are going to begin with 3 beautiful salmon fillets. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. These are skinless, but skin on works the same way. The only difference is when it comes time to sear your salmon, obviously you're going to do skin side down first. Okay, so of course we got season up proper on the screen. I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course it will be listed in the description box as well. So go ham, go crazy, and never be stingy, and make sure your salmon are well coated up. I have my pan here to about a medium high. I am using non-stick. I prefer to use non-stick when it comes to salmon for obvious reasons. So go ahead and lay your salmon right on in. We're looking to get a beautiful sear and crust on both sides of our salmon. I'm gonna let it go for about 2.5 to 3 minutes per side, and we want that to look oh so beautiful like it does on your screen. And again, both sides same exact time. And once you have that taken care of, you're gonna remove it from the heat as we work on that lemon pepper glaze, baby. So to get this glaze going is very simple. We got some unsalted butter going in, as well as lemon pepper seasoning. I'm using Lawry's. You guys always want to know what brand I'm using. And of course, we're gonna add the honey to that, and we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. Get everything in your pan right here. Let it come to a simmer, okay? And once it's simmering, you're gonna reintroduce your salmon. All right, and you're gonna grab yourself a spoon, and you're gonna get to baste your salmons with this delicious sauce right here. Come on now, it doesn't take no time after this, maybe about a minute and a half of basting, and you are pretty much ready to plate up and bust down. And let me tell you something, you see how quick this was, but this right here is a 10 out of 10 when it comes to flavor. OMG, I'm letting you know right now, this one right here, whoo. It's definitely something special. Your whole family is definitely gonna love this. You could plate this with absolutely anything, veggies, rice, mashed potatoes. The options are endless, but you definitely got to give this one a go. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you like to let YouTube know you're loving the content. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.